Summer is here, and no, that is not cancelled like the rest of life given the current situation. But you know what, let that not put a damper on your glam and your spirits. It's time to get a little experimental and create a super fun eye makeup look that you can wear when you are ready to step out, and even now when you decide to get on a fun video call with your besties. Hi guys, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be showing you a really fun and colorful eye makeup look for summer. But before we move ahead, you guys know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to the BeBeautiful channel and do hit the bell icon so that you are notified every single time a new video goes live. Warm months bring with it plenty of inspiration to create these amazing color-struck makeup moments, and now that I suddenly have so much free time at hand, I decided to get a little experimental and create this beautiful, colorful summer eye makeup look that is mask friendly, so I can actually wear it when I'm out and about. So if you are looking at taking up a new hobby or just want to up your makeup game by experimenting a little and trying something out of your comfort zone, keep watching this video and you are gonna absolutely love this makeup tutorial. Now as you can see, my base makeup is complete. I applied a really light layer of foundation with a lot of coral blush because I feel like that will really complement the orange, pink, yellow eye makeup summer look that I am planning to create. So I'm going to start by prepping my eyes. I'm dotting a little bit of concealer and dusting some loose powder on the eyes. Now this step is super useful because it gives the eyeshadow something to cling onto, and the eyeshadow pigments also pop a lot more, making it super fun and quirky. Although I must add that the eyeshadows in this palette are super pigmented, buttery soft and have an amazing lasting power. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Sundowner. I'm going to start off by mixing two of these light coral pink shades. This is going to act as a guide for the rest of the eyeshadows. As you can see, these eyeshadows are super blendable and soft, and this palette is actually great if you are a beginner when it comes to eye makeup. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the main color for my eyeshadow, which is this vibrant orange. I feel like this is such a flattering color for Indian skin tones. In fact, almost all the shades in this eyeshadow palette work really well with Indian skin tones. So using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dip it into this bright vibrant orange shade and going to apply it all over my eyelid area. Now, using a tapered fluffy brush, I'm going to use the shade and apply it on the crease area to create a soft transition. Remember that after this step, some of your eyeshadow on your eyelids is going to get knocked off with the tapered brush, but worry not, I'm just going to go ahead with my flat brush, take some more of the orange powder and pat it on my eyelids again. Now it's time to repeat the exact same steps on the other eye. Once you feel that both your eyelids are matching, it's time to move on to the lower lash line, for which I'm going to be using the same vibrant orange color, using a smudger brush and applying it on my waterline. According to me, this gives my eyes a more complete look. Now it's time to add a pop of color, and for that I'm going to deep dive into this amazing palette and reach out to this vibrant yellow color right here. Using a pointed brush, I'm going to dip it into the yellow and apply it onto the inner corner of my eye. Now to be very honest, the orange on my eyelids and the yellow on the inner corner of my eye is actually making me crave a popsicle right now. Speaking of which, what is your summer favorite? Is it ice cream or ice lollies? Tell me in the comment section below. Now to add intensity and a lot more fun to this eye makeup look, I'm going to be applying an orange eyeliner to my lower waterline as well. For that, I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate from the Gelato collection in the shade Mandarino. Please tell me you guys have checked this range out, because if not, I am linking it down for you in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Now coming back to this kohl pencil, the formula is super soft and it is also waterproof and smudge proof. What I absolutely love about this kohl pencil is that it glides on super smoothly and does not tug onto my eye skin at all. Now that's something that I really look forward to in almost all of my eyeliners. Can you see the intensity that this one step added to the complete eye makeup look. I absolutely love it. Now let's quickly complete this eye makeup look with a mascara, and for that I'm turning towards my favorite mascara, which is the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Now this is a super affordable mascara and it manages to curl and lengthen my eyelashes instantly. To ensure that your mascara doesn't look clumpy, make sure you use the wiggle and swipe technique, and trust me, your eyelashes are going to flutter like never before. And with that, the eye makeup look is done. And finally, I'm going to complete this look with the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Natural Nude. I love how this shade of nude is so flattering for the eye makeup look that I created. The formulation is feather light and super soft and comfortable on my lips. Also, it is budge proof, so you can go ahead and wear a mask over this. Also, they have an amazing shade range in this category, so make sure you check that out. And with that, this makeup look is complete. What did you guys think about this makeup look? And more importantly, are you gonna go ahead and try recreating it? Let me know in the comment section below. It's honestly the perfect time to up your eye makeup game while stepping out. You are sure to grab a lot of attention. It's time for me to go, but make sure you like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the BeBeautiful channel. And you know what? Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update when we upload a new video on the channel. Until the next time, bye!